Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy crypto on Kraken app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Kraken app, and then right away, first of all, add some amount, balance to your wallet, and then tap on this option of portfolio. Then you will find this kind of interface which says jump in and buy crypto. Now tap on this option of buy crypto. Then over here you will find buy Bitcoin, and then tap on explore more assets. Then go to search bar and simply search in the currency that you would like to buy, the crypto, and tap on it. Now go ahead, add in the amount, tap on order type and choose buy now, and then go to pay with and choose Apple Pay, add a card or deposit, how you would like to pay. Go ahead, choose the method. You can simply choose Apple Pay for the easy payment, or add a card so you can add your bank debit or credit card and pay with it. Add in the amount, tap on next, and you simply follow the instructions for you to provide the payment details. Once you are done and paid for it, you will receive the particular crypto in your assets right there in the profile. You can go back and check it again. That's basically how you will be able to do so. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.